Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. We are continuing to discuss and provide opinions on various documents that were released by the Moscow Police Department for the very first time to the public on the 23rd of July, 2025. The document I'd like to call your attention to in this presentation is sequence number 78. It was prepared by Officer Dani Vargas of the Moscow Police Department, and it's dated December 19th, 2022. The topic of this narrative is packing up personal items at 1122 King Road. And it states in relevant part as follows. Paragraph 1. On December 7th, 2022, I assisted with packing up and moving personal belongings from 1122 Kind Road to the MPD secured storage garage. KP, name redacted, Captain Lanier, and I packed up the items in BF room and DM room. Paragraph 2. On December 8th, 2022, I spoke with RM, name redacted, who is and the relationship here is redacted, for M. M initially wanted to retrieve some items for M, but then stated M would come retrieve all of her items sometime after the holidays. If I could make a few points and comments regarding this document. First, it's unclear why the third person who was responsible for packing up, it appears to be the two surviving roommates' rooms, this KP is redacted here. Secondly, it appears that the address 1122 Kind Road, that's a typographical error. It should be King, as stated in the subject matter of this document. Third, the event that Officer Vargas is speaking of here, of December 7th, 2022, the packing up and moving personal belongings out of the crime scene at 1122 King Road, which at that time there was apparently no suspect, much less an arrest. An arrest would not happen until December 30th, 2022, one day after Detective Brett Payne's affidavit of probable cause was filed asking for a warrant for Mr. Kohberger's arrest, which was granted that day, led to his arrest the next day in Pennsylvania. Speaking of Detective Payne, one of the reports that we had provided a presentation to you earlier today on dealt with what was thought to be a pink and green jacket that appeared to have been returned as a personal item to one of the surviving roommates. M is how she's described in that report, did not belong to her. And that was learned by Detective Payne in an interview he conducted via the internet, which he did not record. And there was no reason given in the report why it was not recorded. The matter of this December 9th packing of items out of the crime scene was covered by the media, and you can find reports about it, I believe, if you do a search over the internet. And if you do, you may see photographs, you may see video of a U-Haul truck that was literally backed into 1122 King Road parking lot in the front, driven by then Chief of Police Fry. And you'll see members of Moscow Police Department going in and out of the property, bringing out boxes of items from 1122 King Road and putting it into this U-Haul truck. A rhetorical question that I ask, and the opinion, complete speculation, this is not based on fact, it is simply a comment. Was that pink and green jacket the only thing that was taken out of 1122 King Road by the Moscow Police Department, thinking it belonged to one of the occupants as personal property, but was not? This is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.